everyone. Today we are going to be showing you how to make fluffies. And we have just added this half a cup of Elmer's school glue. And now we are going to add this shaving foam.
Half a cup.
Oh,
Shaving foam or shaving cream.
yeah, shaving foam. Now we are going to add this also half a cup of hand soap. And now we're going to stir it. Yep. Look how pretty it is. It's so magical. It kind of looks like it's pink. Now we're going to add the tablespoon of cornstarch. Corn flour.
Does the same thing.
And now we're going to add about like 2 squirts of body lotion. That's good.
Another squirt, Alia.
And now we're going to add our food coloring. Shake it around. Yeah, about like a drop of blue. And now we're going to stir it. Wow! Look at my one. I like my one. I think we did really well on this one, guys. It's gonna be fluffy side. Look how good that looks. Mine is so nice.
We have some borax here. We have a cup of water with 1 teaspoon of borax, and that becomes our borax solution that we're going to mix to activate the fluffy slime.
Look how cool this is. Whoa, the red's coming. Still haven't mixed it in. Slime. Mom,
slimy.
do you think this is good?
Wow.
Mommy to the rescue. Oh, mine's work. Look at this slime. Mommy power. This feels so nice. Mama power. Yeah. Oh, it's working. Look how good this is.
Wow, Kira.
I think mine's is actually starting to work. I have a little bit more because it's sticking to my hands. You know that? No? Okay, when you break it. Yes, but no. Mine's is working.
Do you need more
Yes.
activator?
Yes, I need your mother power. It's like, it feels so good, guys. You should definitely make this. It's like a fluffy cloud.
Oh, push your fingers in it. Oh.
Look at this. Satisfying challenge.